If you're dealing with bleeding gums, gum recession, or periodontal pockets, you've probably seen the ads for GumRevive. It promises to regenerate gum tissue, stop bleeding in 7 days, and even stabilize loose teeth in 8 weeks, all for under $40. But when a product makes medical claims this bold, it's worth looking beyond the website. Quick disclaimer, this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a dental professional. GumRevive is sold through the Moxivon website as a periodontal repair gel that claims to contain enamel matrix derivative EMD. According to the sales page, it's supposedly FDA approved and the gold standard for periodontal regeneration. The website claims dramatic results, reducing bleeding and redness within 7 days, regenerating lost gum tissue, stabilizing loose teeth within 8 weeks, and a 95% success rate from over 150,000 users, all for around $35 to $40 Australian dollars. When I started looking into the details, the picture changed pretty quickly. Here's the key issue. Enamel matrix derivative is a legitimate dental treatment. It's used by periodontists in surgical procedures to promote tissue regeneration. A 2026 systematic review in the Journal of Periodontal Research confirmed EMD improves outcomes in intrabony defects, but only when applied by dental professionals during surgery, not as an over-the-counter gel you apply at home. The website is borrowing legitimacy from a real treatment, but applying it to a consumer product that hasn't been proven to work the same way. When I checked Moxivon on Trustpilot, I found a 2.1 out of 5 score based on reviews, all 1-star. Multiple customers reported the same problems. Being charged without authorization, products shipped from China despite claiming Australian manufacturing, no response from customer support about refunds, not receiving their orders at all. One reviewer described being inundated with spam after purchasing, which suggests your data may be sold or shared with third parties. Another reviewer reported that even PayPal initially refused their dispute because the company disputed the chargeback. The website describes GumRevive as FDA approved. But here's the problem. The trademark for GumRevive was filed in May 2026 by a company registered in Dubai, with the application still in the examination phase. The product itself doesn't appear in FDA databases as an approved medical device. The trademark application says nothing about FDA approval. The website claims more than 150,000 people have used GumRevive with a 95% success rate. But these figures appear nowhere outside Moxivon's own website. No independent clinical trial, no third-party verification, just numbers on a sales page designed to build trust. So, is GumRevive a scam? I wouldn't call it a proven scam based solely on available information, but I also wouldn't consider it trustworthy enough to recommend, especially for serious gum disease or loose teeth. The enamel matrix derivative ingredient is legitimate in clinical settings, but there's no evidence in over-the-counter gel works the same way. The company behind it has serious customer service issues. And the bold claims are unsupported by independent verification. If you have bleeding gums, gum recession, or loose teeth, getting an examination from a qualified dentist is a much safer option than relying on a product making major medical claims online. A dentist can assess your condition, recommend appropriate treatment, and if EMD is right for you, it will be applied professionally, not through a website. If you found this research helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation. And if you've had experience with Moxivon or GumRevive, drop your story in the comments. I read everyone.